Most welcome, student. I am coming the next part of solid state, and we already discussed about the salt and its structure. So first we discussed sodium chloride, and after that I am coming the CSCl. तो you must be remember that radius ratio 0.934. आपको याद है कि radius ratio इसमें क्या दिया गया है, 0.934 दिया गया है, यानी कि लगभग 1 के बराबर है। यानी कि इसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, इसका BCC स्ट्रक्चर। CS कैटायन है, तो कैटायन हम लोग को मालूम हमेशा वॉइड में रहता है, और ये CS प्लस किस में रहता है, क्यूबिक वॉइड में। क्यूबिक वॉइड हमेशा सेंटर यानी बॉडी सेंटर रहता है, और Cl माइनस SCC रहता है। तो कोऑर्डिनेशन रेशियो कैसा रहेगा, 8:8 रहेगा। इसकी तरह के कंपाउंड्स होंगे CSBr, CSI, CSN, CN, TiCl, TiBr, Ti और TiCN। उसी तरीके से ZnS नेक्स्ट है, रेडियस रेशियो रहता है 0.402, यानी कि 0.402 यानी कि ये कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 4 को शो कर रहा है। यानी कि इसमें कैटायन होता है टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड में, ठीक है, और हाफ में, हाफ मीन्स अल्टरनेट में। टेट्राहेड्रल टोटल होंगे 8, तो उसका हाफ कितना हुआ, 4। नाउ S2 माइनस इज ऑलवेज इन FCC में रहेगा, यानी FCC की हम लोग को रैंक मालूम है 4, तो कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर रेशियो भी 4:4 रह जाएगी। नाउ इट मीन्स दस देयर आर द 4 ZnS फार्मूला यूनिट पर यूनिट शेल में रहता है। क्लियर? नाउ द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस वन इज AgI, BeS, CuCl, CuBr and CuI, etc. Now after we are coming in other type of the salts, but you must be remember that the one point is also coming in a ZnS. ZnS is also form another form of wustite, and it has SCP arrangement. Sulfide ion and zinc ion are half of the tetrahedral voids, and similar to it our example are ZnO, CDS, BU. इसकी तरह के और कौन होते हैं, ZnO, CDS and BU. Clear? Now after that you must be remember the effect of pressure and temperature in a different crystals. Remember that with increase in a pressure, NaCl type means which has a coordination number 6:6, change to 8 is ratio rate, CSCl की तरह हो जाता है। जो उसका रहता है 6:6 कैसा होता है, 8:8 रह जाता है। और विथ इंक्रीज इन अ टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर, जैसे CSCl का 8:8 होता है, तो NaCl की तरह 6:6 कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर रह जाता है। आफ्टर दैट वी आर कमिंग इन एक्सेप्शनल स्ट्रक्चर। फर्स्ट ए फ्लोराइड स्ट्रक्चर CaF2 में रेडियस रेशियो 0.73 किसका रहता है, ऑक्टाहेड्रल। इट मीन्स वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट Ca2 plus exists in octahedral void, and Cl is arranged in a corner, edge, face and body. So corner means 8:8, edge means 12:1/4, face means 6:1/2, and body means 1. So first has 3, 1, second has 3, third has 3, fourth has 1, means total 8. It means here you remember that coordination number ratio calcium and fluoride and 8:4. फार्मूला क्या था, CaF2, Ca का F दुगना था, यानी कि कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर Ca की F से दुगनी होगी, यानी कि Ca की 8 तो F की 4, ठीक इनवर्स रहता है। इसकी तरह के कंपाउंड होते हैं जिस तरीके से SrF2, BaCl2, CdF2, PbF2, UO2 और THO2 रहता है। फिर आते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ सॉल्ट में, जिससे कहते हैं एंटी फ्लोराइड, यानी फ्लोराइड का अपोजिट। नाउ एंटी फ्लोराइड रेडियस रेशियो 0.68, इट मीन्स Na2O अपोजिट टू फ्लोराइड, कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर ऑफ सोडियम इज 8 and Cl is FCC. Clear? So you must be remember that a octahedral void is 8 and this is a 4. So formula of chloride ion, this is become sulfide, and selenium is formula is, this is a sulfide and selenium iodide of the tellurides, and lithium, sodium, potassium gives such type of the structure. And here we see that sodium is 2, oxygen is 1, So the coordination number of sodium is half of oxygen, means oxygen is 8, so sodium is 4. Now periodic table and solid state relation with its previous lattice and unit shell, and here you have find out. First of all, we are coming S block, so group first. See that hydrogen is hexagonal and lithium is BCC, sodium is BCC, potassium is BCC, rubidium is BCC, CS is BCC, and FR is also BCC. Similarly, you have seen that B is SCP, magnesium is SCP, Ca is FCC, and Sr is FCC, and Ba is coming BCC, and after the radon is, this is also BCC. So this is this type of the unit shell in S block. Similarly, we are coming the P block. This is a boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, and thallium. So boron is actually rhombohedral, aluminium is FCC, gallium is orthorhombic, indium is tetrahedral, and thallium is SCP. Similarly, carbon is, this is a SCP or hexagonal, Si is FCC, Ge FCC, Sn tetrahedral, Pb is FCC. And similarly, nitrogen is hexagonal, P is orthorhombic, As is rhombohedral, Sb is rhombohedral, and Bi is rhombohedral. Now, in oxygen family, oxygen is SCC, S is orthorhombic, S is hexagonal, T is hexagonal, and PO is rhombic. Clear? Now, after that, we are coming in the fluorine family. Fluorine is SCC, chlorine is orthorhombic, Br is orthorhombic, I is orthorhombic, and At is FCC. Now group 18, where helium is SCP, neon is FCC, and Ar is FCC, Kr is FCC, xenon is FCC, and radon is FCC. So these are the unit shell in a P block, and after that we are coming the D block. Now in a D block, Sc is means scandium is SCP and yttrium is SCP. Lanthanum and actinium are same SCP, but here is not mentioned. Titanium is SCP, zirconium SCP, and HF is SCP, and ruthenium is also SCP. Now similarly, the next one is vanadium is BCC, niobium is BCC, tantalum is tetrahedral, diobium is, this is a BCC. And after that, in the coming chromium family, chromium is BCC, molybdenum BCC, tungsten is BCC, and seaborgium is also BCC. Now next one, we are coming the group 7, manganese is a BCC, tantalum is SCP, rhenium is SCP, and the last one is a BH is also SCP. Clear? After that, we are coming in the iron family, 8 group. This is a Fe is BCC, ruthenium is SCP, and osmium is SCP, and HS is also SCP. Now 9th group, CO SCP, ruhonium is SCP, IR is FCC, and MT is FCC. Now we are coming the 10th group, nickel is FCC, palladium is FCC, and platinum is FCC. After that, we are coming the 11th group. This is a copper is FCC, and silver is FCC, gold is FCC, and Rg is BCC. Similarly, group 12, zinc SCP, cadmium SCP, Hg rhombohedral, and Cn is SCP. Clear? And after that, we are coming in a F block. In a lanthanide, C is FCC, Pr is SCP, Nd is SCP, Pm is SCP, Sm is rhombohedral, Eu means BCC, Gd is SCP, Tb is FCP, and Dy SCP, Ho is SCP, Er is SCP, Tm is SCP, and Yb is FCC, and Lu is SCP. It means in lanthanum mostly are coming in SCP. After that, we are coming actinium. After that, actinium, Ac is FCC, thorium is SCP, Pa is FCP, tetrahedral, and uranium is orthorhombic, Np is orthorhombic, and Pu is, this is also in a FCC, and now Am is SCP, Cm is SCP, and Bk is SCP, and CF is SCP, ES is FCC, FM is FCP, MD is FCC, and NO is FCP, and LR is SCP. You must be remember that we are coming the again actinium is Pu, plutonium this is FCC, but actually sometimes it is monoclinic, so here I am MON means monoclinic. So this is the actually theoretical section or last part of the section of solid state. In the next video I am coming the most of the important numericals related to solid state. Now this is the end of this video. Now thank you and thanks a lot.